This is John with WTI, and lately I've been working a lot into stepping up my game of laundry. Yes, and this is just a great option that I've found. This is the Ariel detergent, but at the same time, this is not just your typical detergent. This has downy capsules inside of it. So that means that the great smell, great odor that is gonna be in your clothes after you do laundry is just great. It's like in two in one. You wash your clothes and at the same time it's softening your fabric and leaving it with a great scent or a great perfume. So I've had clothes that have light stains or heavy ones, and I just put it in the washing machine, a good amount of this, and it just does great. So every single time that I'm trying to improve my laundry at overall level, this has been a great option for me. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.